Hey guys, Bryson with Trick Tools here, and today I want to give you guys a look at the MetalAce 22B English wheel. So as you can see, this is a lot more compact unit than say our 30F model standing here behind us. So this machine is made right here in Pella, Iowa. It's built out of 2x3 rectangle tubing, gusseted, and we rate it for up to 18 gauge steel. We sell it a couple of different ways. So you can get the machine itself as a benchtop model without the legs, and something that you can just set up on a benchtop, bolt it down, and be able to go right to work. So you can get the benchtop model, which is the frame of the machine. You get the obviously upper anvil, and then you get the 3 1/4 inch radius lower anvil with that. And that would be kind of our most basic package for this wheel. And then we have the deluxe kit of that, which then adds on the tray and the other 5 lower anvils, and then floor standing legs that you can have here. You can bolt it down and have a nice standing unit here. So each one of these anvils, so this upper wheel is 2 inches wide. The lower anvils are all 2 inches wide. And then you get the 1 inch radius, 2 1/2 inch radius, 3 1/4, 5, 8 1/2, and then a flat lower anvil. All of these are made of 4140 HT hardened steel, so they're going to be able to hold up over time as you're wheeling, different materials through here. So pretty nice little unit, compact, and it's going to be able to give you the capabilities of doing, your most basic forms of English wheeling. The 22 and the 22B is the throat depth of the machine, so you can get to the center of a 44-inch wide panel. And really it'll tackle a lot of the jobs you need to do. So these 2 inch anvils are true radius anvils, so they don't have the flat spot in them that our 3 inch anvils do for the bigger machines. But this machine here will pretty much, it'll only accept the 2 inch wide anvil. So you cannot get the 3 inch anvils like you would be able to. So the 30F behind here comes with the 3 inch, and you can add the 2 inch as an accessory. This machine here only uses the 2 inch anvil. So for more information on the 22B English wheel from MetalAce, visit our website at Trick-Tools.com. If you have any further questions, give us a call, and we can get those answered for you. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.